With Election Day in Ontario just over a month away, the Liberals, NDP, and the Tories are kicking things into high gear, speaking to supporters across the GTA. Liberal leader Stephen Del Duca was in Woodbridge this afternoon, and NDP leader Andrea Horwath in Hamilton hosting nomination meetings. Let's talk about some big-ticket items for the NDP. Now, if elected, they're planning on beginning to work on a universal pharmacare program for Ontarians immediately, as well as a dental care program. Promises also include to build 100,000 units of social housing over the next decade, as well as upgrade 260,000 others. They're also going to be freezing taxes for low and middle income families. Now, we're seeing some similarities between the NDP and Liberal Party platforms, both of them promising to implement a $16 an hour minimum wage hike by 2023. The NDP actually taking that one step further, implementing $20 an hour minimum wage hike by 2026. Both parties are also promising to create a 4-day work week pilot project. Now, for the Liberals, who are primarily focusing on women in their platform, offering the Ontario Women's Health Strategy, which would see free menstrual products in public spaces for all Ontario women, as well as ensure equal pay and opportunity. Now, they're also hoping to implement a $10 a day before and after school program. And as for our current government, the PCs unveiled the province's 2022 budget earlier this week that's actually standing as the party's platform. In it, you'll also see some funding surrounding healthcare as well as infrastructure over the next 10 years. Now, when asked about the budget, Finance Minister Peter Bethlenfalvy wouldn't comment whether or not it would stay the same following the election. However, Ford staff did later come out and say it would indeed stay the same. Speaking of Ford, he was in Etobicoke earlier this afternoon unveiling his new campaign bus, the Yes Express. Ontarians head to the polls on June 2nd. For City News, I'm Rhianne Campbell.